Sir, President Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, Primary Head Ma'am, Cultural Coordinator Ma'am, and all the teachers present here, and dear students. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, we all have gathered here for the Teachers' Day celebration, and we are so thankful to our Honorable Vice President, Sir, to grace this occasion with his benign presence. Sir, it's an immense pleasure to have you in this program. This program has become more special and memorable for all of us to receive your blessings on this auspicious occasion. It gives us energy and motivation to do our work, to strive for the development of the younger generation. Dear teachers, teaching is the only profession which is considered to be very, very respectable and noble profession. Teaching profession is the mother of all professions. It is truly said, a teacher creates doctors, engineers, lawyers, pilot, scientists, sports persons, artists. So teachers play a very crucial role in the formation of the upcoming generation. And it does not impact only the generation which is being taken care. The values which are being imparted by the teachers to a particular generation, it is being passed on to the further generations as well. So a teacher is not only influencing one generation, but many generations. And that is why we have huge responsibility on our shoulders to make sure that we will be responsible towards each and every action and activity and the value and the principles which we impart to these young minds and hearts. It is truly said, teachers are the architect of the nation, and in many countries, teaching profession is the most superior profession considered. If we consider Finland, Denmark, so many countries, they follow this principle. And in India as well, teachers are being respected all across the nation. Once, I'll just give you a conversation between a teacher and an individual which occurred, and it was being asked to the teachers, what do teachers make? What do teachers make? This question was asked, and the teacher said, being a teacher, honestly, requires so much effort. And it was asked, what do you get out of it? What do you make? What do you get out of this teaching profession? The teacher replied, you want to know what I get? Being a teacher, she paused for a second and then began, well, I get a kid to work harder than they ever thought they could. I can make a C+ feel like the Medal of Honor because each child learns at a different pace. We respect their self-esteem. I can get these kids to sit through 40 minutes of class time when their parents can't get them to sit for 5 minutes without an iPad, GameCube or PlayStation. She paused and continued, you want to know what I get? I get these kids out there to wonder. I get them to question everything. I can get them to apologize that mean it. I get them to have respect and become responsible for their actions. They don't just learn to write, rather I gain when they write on their own. Just typing things out is not everything. I get them to read and read. I get them to do their math problems, even attempt the tough ones using their God-given brain, not a man-made calculator. They learn with me the importance of being a lifelong learner and what it takes to get there. I make my students respect diversity in language and lifestyle and teach them to preserve their unique cultural identity. My classroom is a place which I created with them where all my students feel safe and equal. You want to know what I get? I get them to understand that using the gifts they were given, working hard and following their hearts, they can get anything in life and be happy and successful. Pausing one last time, she continued, then when people try to question me what I get, with me knowing money is not everything, I hold my head up high and pay no attention to them because they are ignorant. The other people who ask what do you get and what do you make, they are ignorant. You want to know what I get? I get to make a difference. I get to make a difference, and that is what a true teacher all about. A true teacher does not teach from the books, teaches from the heart. And if you can touch one life, being a teacher itself, that is completely satisfactorily being, you can say, considered that you are a true teacher. If you can touch one life and you can transform that one life to a responsible citizen of tomorrow. The teachers, there is no substitute to a teacher. No online platform, no audio visual aid, no electronic gadget is a substitute to the teacher, because a teacher is a human being which takes care of other human beings, right? So we are the one who are touching the lives of the kids. We are not dealing with machines, we are dealing with human beings. We are not here to only give them the bookish knowledge. We are also here to tell them the 5 C's of the 21st century. That is the creativity. Creativity, you need to think out of the box. You need to think something which is unique. Critical thinking, that is a problem solving technique. Third is communication skills. The third C says you have to be a good communicator. If you can't express your knowledge in words properly, the knowledge will become rusted in your brain. So start expressing yourself. The fourth C says about collaboration. Collaborate. You should know how to work in a team. You should know how to collaborate with people. Social development is a must. And last C is the connectivity. Connect. You should know how to connect the dots and how to go ahead in your life. And once again, happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, dear teachers, for being with this PSBA family, and we are so blessed to have you all with us. Okay, it's like a blessing of God to have such efficient, such motivated and positive staff with us. Thank you once again. Thank you so much, Honorable Vice President Sir and respected heads, to be with us and to guide us always, to deliver the best to our children. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी beacon of light in our educational journey. Thank you for inspiring us every day. To the best teacher ever, your patience and guidance have made all the difference in our life.
खुशियाँ हैं बाहर फैलाई, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी में।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए, दिल मिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए, आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार।